Hi, hello friends, good morning to everyone. So here we are going to see Nifty strong support and strong resistance on October 5th October, right? So before that, you make sure click subscribe button to learn more about trading, right? So today the important level for bullish trend is 11,400 and 11,318 for bearish trend. Before that, we are expecting some flat opening plus or minus 20 or 25 point. Once it break and give the confirmation of bullish trend as per our strategy above 11,400, then target will be 11,427, and here you have some resistance, and once break this level, then next target will be 11,455. the next target should be 11,417. so here the 3 level is important. So only if it break this level and acting support, then only you can go for the buy after the confirmation of our training section strategy. So don't enter blindly once it give breakout, right? So here 11,417 is the strong resistance, right? And for bearish it is 11,318 as I mentioned here, and downside target will be 11,365, and next target will be 11,347, and you have some support, and next target will be 11,320 and 11,300 having the strong support at lower range, right? So here you can see bounce back from any level like around 11,365 and something like 11,345 and 11,320 and 11,300. so here the 4 level is important to chance to bounce back from this level. In case if any of this supporting level is break and give resistance at given level, and you can go for the sell and target will be as per this one, right? So again, in simple and image format, at higher range you have strong resistance at 11,475 and 17 around, and at lower range you have strong support at 11,300. so in between you have bullish range and bearish range, and also I given some 3 to 5 important level. So each level you should wait for the confirmation of strong buy signal, then only you can go for the buy, and again for similarly you should wait for strong sell, then only you can go for the sell, right? In case if it break strong resistance of 11,417 and strong support of 11,300, suppose if there is a huge gap down of something like minus 70 or minus 15 point, I hope today there is a less chance to gap down, because the global market look like strong in overall in the Asian side, right? Let's see, maybe after this only you can see some market crash, and so depend upon US market, right? So again, the Telegram link is given below the description. You can click that link and join my channel, right? For training purpose, you can contact this number 766 and here I given in simple word detail about training, right? And strictly follow the rule once again. So don't trade blindly and learn something very strong strategy, then only you can go for strong entry, right?